So here's how to edit PDF on LibreOffice. So as you can see, we're currently in the LibreOffice application. If you don't have it, you can download it for free. Now, locate the PDF file you want to edit. After that, all you need to do is drag it onto your LibreOffice application. Once you do that, you will get to see this open up in your LibreOffice editor. And once you're here, you can edit your PDF file however you like. This way, you can drag and drop any PDF file and edit it according to your preference. You can go through the entire file and make your desired changes anywhere. This is essentially the free version of Microsoft Office. It has all the features offered in Microsoft Office but free of charge. And that's it. That is exactly how to edit PDF file on LibreOffice.